Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, T-Style Baking. Today's tutorial is for how to make puff puff. We pronounce it as puff puff, but the spelling is puff puff. So puff puff is your go-to snack for any occasion, and as you can see, this is the perfect recipe for making puff puff. Because guys, can you see how soft it is and it's looking good also? And I'm here to show you how to make this. Firstly, as you can see, you start by adding your flour and swifting it in. You have to always swift your flours, okay? Also, if this is your first time on my channel, please do not leave here without subscribing. I would really appreciate that. And then proceed to add your sugar, salt, and yeast. This snack is so easy and it has the most simplest ingredients ever. After adding your dry ingredients, you can proceed to add your warm water. I am using warm water so as to activate the yeast immediately. And as you can see, I poured my water in batches so as to not have a runny puff puff. The secret to a perfect puff puff is a thick dough, a very thick dough. So after doing that, you are going to proof your puff puff for 30 minutes. And the moment you see it is proofed enough, you add your oil to a pan and onto a stove. Immediately the oil is hot, then you can proceed to add in your puff puff. And as you can see me scooping it in small batches and adding it to my oil. Add your puff puff using your hands. I don't actually know of any other method to add puff puff apart from using your hand, and this is the most suitable way for me also. The hint is also to wash your hand after adding one, because your hand needs to be wet so as to scoop in that dough without having it stick into your hands. Add it to the oil and fry it as you see it here. And also please give this video a thumbs up. I proceeded to add chocolate glaze to my puff puff just to spicing it up. And as you can see, I started with a skewer, but oh my god, it is so frustrating. So I just ended up doing this stuff with my hands. I mean, nothing beats your hands, right? I glazed my puff puff in a simple chocolate ganache, and as you can see, it looks wonderful, and I assure you it tastes wonderful also. So I have my glazed puff puff and my normal basic puff puff, and guys, they are all good, and you can also eat it any way you want it. And as you can see, this puff puff is so soft, guys. I really enjoy puff puff, and this is always my recipe. So guys, do try it out. Also, you can be sure to check the description box for written recipe and tips on how to make this, and do not forget to subscribe for more. See you next time.